Hello everyone. As of last week, you'd have done up the 3-line activity for the phone holder and also the 4-line activity, and in which you would have highlighted your design as such. And now we're going to head on to doing up your development, right? So get a fresh piece of paper. Okay, you can just write development. And the design that you've chosen, please do indicate with an arrow and write that chosen. Okay, so from here what we do is that we basically copy the design over on the top left hand side of the page. Okay, and once you're done that, we'll want to now start to develop. Okay, before we get into the development, remember the earlier task that was given to you on design considerations. You would want to definitely consider some of these as you are developing. Like, for example, on aesthetics, you can think about how you're going to make your holder be more unique and attractive, and perhaps maybe if there is any alphabet, right, design that can actually be suitable for the shape borrow. At the same time, you might just be focused a little bit more on the ergonomics aspects of it, where you want your holder to be able to secure the phone safely, and also what is a suitable angle to have, in order to have a clear view of the screen. And further questions from the phone safety, you could think about how to prevent the phone from sliding out, right? So with this, let's proceed on. Okay, so let's head on. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll flip over the design so as to better be able to place the phone. So I flipped it over and I'm placing the phone, say, flat on the holder. Alright, so now from looking at this, perhaps maybe this part of it, the design is blocking my screen view. So hence, I would just probably annotate to say that, okay, phone screen, okay, partially blocked. Okay, I'll do some annotations there. Alright, and hence I'll just modify my design in a manner that it looks something like this. Okay, and I place my phone now something in this manner. Okay, and when I'm looking at this design, what comes to my mind is that the phone can slide off, right? Can slide down. So what can I do to better this design? So I'll modify it in this manner. Right, and I'll then draw in the phone. Okay, so to prevent phone from sliding off. Okay, subsequently I can look at the design again and see how can I improve on it aesthetically. So what I have in mind, I'll show you next. So I have a design like this. Right, just gives me a little bit of aesthetics that I feel that this part of the design, this part of the design has a similar kind of design, which makes it look nicer. And as I'm moving forward, all right, I might want to consider to retrieve this phone a bit more easily, right? So, and what do I do is I might want to consider shortening this length. So when I shorten this length, it allows easy access to the phone. Alright, so with this, I can conclude, right? If I think I'm happy with my design, I can conclude here. Alternatively, you can even look at the angle that is bent. Is this better, or could I consider a different angle? It perhaps a little bit more tilted up angle could be a little possible by design. Right, proceed on to do your activity for the next one. For the 3-line activity is done. The next one is a 4-line activity. Thank you.